Hello everyone, this is Chester. Today let us check some goods. At first, let us check this one. This board, you can use it for a lot of connection usage. You can see this is the gold color, very good quality, very good. 6-pin and this kind of SATA power. This is a USB to USB LAN. Okay. Brand new. Very good quality. This is a lot of lens. We can use it to connect the GPU and the mainboard to connect together. Very good quality. Very good quality. Here, let us show you one very good product, the mainboard. Now, let us open this box for you. The package is very good, the package. Wow, it's very good. It's a brand new mainboard. Wow, very long mainboard. Very good quality. Let's pick out side. Wow, it's so long mainboard. Wow, it's brand new mainboard. It is with CPU, but this mainboard is without memory, without SSD. Please, my best friend, my customer, once you receive the mainboard, please kindly add the memory and add the SSD by yourself. And please, we will also remove the battery. We will remove the battery outside from the mainboard. We will remove this battery. So which means once you receive the mainboard, it is without this battery. Please kindly understand that. Brand new mainboard, very good quality. Fresh mainboard. Wow. For the mainboard, normally we package 10 pieces mainboard, 10 pieces in one box. The package is like this. Very good quality, very good package. This is the package. The package is very good, brand new, very good quality.